Stay safe, stay healthy, wear your mask, don't forget to get vaccinated. Hi, hello, namaste, adab. How are you all? Welcome back. Today in this video, I am going to explain you about some interesting facts that are helpful indirectly in the products that we use in everyday life. You might have observed or not, but after watching this video, you are going to know what is the purpose and why they exist. Have you ever wondered, is there an expiry date for your gas cylinder? Do you know what is the purpose of these holes in the bottom of the cylinder? Why? Popularly, ATM cards has only 4-digit pins. Don't worry, I'm going to explain you in details not only about this but also some other interesting things in this video. So don't forget to watch till end. Let us know your views on this video in the comment section down below. If you like the video, share with your friends so that more people will come to know about our channel. Hit the like button, subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon to get notified whenever we upload new videos. Let's get into the video. Hey all, this is RK. Welcome to my channel. Have you ever wondered how small bowl looks from above by looking outside the window of an airplane flying, and how these plane wings glide through clouds? Isn't half the fun of an airplane ride is in flight scenery shots? Don't forget to share your flying experience on how and what you felt of your first flight in the comment section down below and share with us. If you have ever sat in window seat of an airplane and looked closely, chances are that you may have noticed a tiny small hole at bottom of windows. Don't think it's manufacturing defect or it doesn't have any purpose. It exists for a reason. Airplanes climb to a cruising altitude up to 25 to 35,000 feet, which is more than 6.5 miles above. At higher altitudes, air pressure and oxygen levels reduce. To maintain comfort for passengers, cabin pressure and oxygen levels are maintained at levels higher than surrounding atmosphere. This pressure difference puts enormous strain on window. Airplane windows are designed to withstand significant stress, including air pressure created at high altitudes. Primarily, windows of airplane are comprised of 3 individual layers or panes of lightweight flexible materials such as Lexan polycarbonate or plastic acrylic. The inner layer that we can touch while seated inside the aircraft is only superficial and is just acts as insulating barrier. It improves both sound and temperature insulation. The outer layer of windows are hard and pressure tight and is exposed to pressurized air and keeps elements out and maintain cabin pressure. At bottom center in the middle layer of windows, a small tiny hole which is called bleed hole exists and essentially works as bleed valve by allowing pressurized air from inside the cabin to reach outer pane of window. This makes outer layer to take the strain of low pressure, thus allows air to equalize between cabin and air gap between layers. pressure is transferred to outer layer, thereby elevating inner and outer pane pressure, and acts as failsafe in the event if outer pane ruptures or otherwise breaks. It also prevents fogging by regulating temperature and by releasing moisture from air gap inside and outside, and allow us to enjoy amazing views while flying. If there is no hole, inner layer is exposed to air pressure and becomes excessive, making inner layer bulge in or out. We are very familiar with ATMs, and it is very convenient for us to carry and can withdraw from our account with a simple swipe. Idea of ATM machine came from computer loan machine. Have you ever wondered why ATM cards majorly have only 4-digit PIN? Why not 6 or 8-digit PINs? Nowadays, many people are making online payments, and making ease of transactions proved to be an aid, which in turn has simplified the lives by removing restrictions involving operational time of banks through a tiny card ATM as debit or credit card, which can be said also as magic cards. ATM card PIN. It has one of the important numbers that we use for transactions, and it holds the key to all our dispensable cash. The fact is, they are usually 4 digits in length. One would expect card PIN, which protects your entire bank account, stores your hard-earned money, would be much more complicated, isn't it? The numerous accounts that we have on internet usually asks or compels us to choose hard-to-guess passwords with various special characters, including online bank account that we have, that is internet banking. John Adrian Shepherd Barron, who pioneered in development of ATM machine, automated teller machine, suggested PIN to safely identify the user and to protect the card. Initially, he proposed 6-digit PIN code for ATM card, but later his wife Carolina told hardly she could remember, only the longest string of numbers was 4. So, to make it easier, he switched from 6-digit PIN to 4-digit PIN, which is now popular and became world standard. Majorly, security depends on 3 things: something you have, something you are, something you know. Usually, ATM allows us only 3 attempts in a row to log in successfully to our accounts, while ATM cards come under something you have and ATM PIN come under something you know. Imagine if you had to remember an 8-digit PIN code to all your ATM cards. A 4-digit PIN is easier to remember than 6 or 8-digit numbers, which makes the PIN more vulnerable to attempts of brute forcing, a common way of hacking passwords. So, person needs your card and 3 attempts to gain access, determining 4-digit PIN through pure guessing, which is very unlikely. But nowadays, it doesn't mean you can only choose 4 digits. The more digits add to your card adds more safety. So why many banks are offering and making its users to choose 6-digit PIN instead of 4-digit PIN. These days, LPG became an essential component in almost every home. In this video, I am going to explain and discuss some interesting things about cylinders. Like, does cylinders have expiry date? What is the smell of the gas in the cylinders? Why the small holes exist at the bottom of the cylinder? Why many of the cylinders are in cylindrical shape? Why not rectangle or sphere shape? Cylinders are described as pressure vessels as they store gases at high pressure. Mechanically, cylinders are more stable. The lesser the surface area, the lesser amount of pressure is experienced by walls. In cylinders, pressure is distributed evenly. There is no concentration of force, so no weak breakdown point in body. Comparatively, sphere is more strong and efficient than cylindrical shape, but practically there are problems with storage and packing. Similarly, a rectangular block is good in packing and very efficient, but the distribution of pressure is not even. So, to avoid this, cylindrical shape is used as it is even in distributing pressure and efficient in packing and storage. Basically, gas in cylinders that we use has no smell. Basically, it is propane and butane, which is odorless in its natural state. To detect whenever there is a leakage and to avoid terrible fires and devastating explosions for safety and security purpose, ethyl mercaptan or ethane ethiol is added, which is a clear colorless liquid. It has overpowering stench with vapors that can irritate nose and mouth and can be lethal if swallowed or inhaled. But the amount added to the gas cylinders is safe and doesn't cause any issues unless inhaled more. The bottom ring of the cylinder is to protect from damages and helps in stacking one on each other. There is a hole lies in between bottom ring and body of the cylinder. To increase lifespan of cylinder and to avoid fast corrosion, that is breakdown of materials due to chemical reaction, these holes provide air to pass through them, thus helping in evaporating water beneath cylinder. Cylinders are heavier than atmospheric air. When leaking gas goes down to floor level and gets spread, even at that level, it is highly flammable and is dangerous. Gas leaked at bottom will get trapped at empty space within the ring. These holes are cut to avoid and allow gas to get dispersed. If not, it could launch cylinder in event of ignition. Even though chances are pretty low, companies are required to place a hole at bottom, which became mandatory. For example, different manufacturers have different shapes. In India, Indian Gas have cylindrical shape and Bharat Gas have circular shape holes. A rumor about expiry date of cylinders created a scare among people. You need to check the date on cylinders before allowing inside of your house. Here, expiry means shelf life of perishable products. Markings indicate due date for next test. Using the cylinder over due date can result in leakage that can lead to explosion. Once cylinder passes the due date, one must stop using it. Serviceable age of cylinders depends on various external factors such as atmospheric conditions, rusting, usage and cylinder rotation, etc. Cylinders undergo a life of 10 years under some mandatory tests conducted twice for every 5 years. Hydro test. Cylinders are kept in water filled to check for any leakages. Pneumatic test. 5 times more pressure is applied than what is stored. For every 5 years, cylinders undergo ST&P, that is statutory testing and painting. The cylinders which are failed are scrapped, and that are found suitable for reuse are painted with next due date for usability. We can check it on neck of the cylinder, means found on one of the metal strips that connects cylinder's body to top ring. In this, there are alphabets and numbers written, out of which each alphabet indicates 1/4 of year and numbers indicate year. Alphabet A indicates first quarter of the year, that is January to March, and alphabet B indicates second quarter of the year, that is April to June. Alphabet C indicates third quarter of the year, that is July to September. Alphabet D indicates fourth quarter of the year, that is October to December. It means if it was written B24, it means it is its due date and it need to undergo mandatory test on second quarter of the year, that is April to June of 2024. Similarly, if it was written A22, it means it is its due date and it need to undergo mandatory test on first quarter of 2022, that is January to March. That's all for today. I hope you learned something new through this video. Don't forget to leave your opinion on this video in the comment section down below. And don't forget to share with your friends. Hit the like button and subscribe to our channel.
Thanks! Love you! Forever!